In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk lock actuator on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cover just using a trim tool. Pop these push pins out. They just come out like that. The top part separates first. Just like that. If they come apart, you want to put those back together. Take these two screws out, use a T20 socket. Take those out. Grab the cover. It slides right out. There is this little handle right here. You want to just pop that off. You can move the cable to the side. It's a little tab. It slides through and it comes right out. Using a T30 socket, take these three screws out. Grab the latch and just slide it through. We have a connector right here you want to disconnect. Just grab that, slide that out. And there's a cable on the other side we have to disconnect. Just using a pick, just going to get underneath this little tab here. You just want to pop this up. Or you can use a trim tool. Pop that out. Then the cable's going to pop out, just like that. Underneath this little tab, I'm just going to take a pick. Then you want to just like push in, and that slides right out. That little window right there, that's where you got to push. Take the new latch, slide that in place. Lock it down. And the cable, just slide that in place. If you need to, you can use some needle nose pliers. I'm just going to pull on the cable just to straighten it out. And the little lock knob, push that in place. That's good. Connect the connector. And line this up. Get the screws started. Once they're all started, snug those down. Slide this cover in place. Make sure this cable goes through the middle. Get that lined up. Just put a couple of the screws in right here just to hold it in place. You can take this handle, get this started, take the cable, and just press it in. That's good. Slide that in place, just like that. Take all the push pins, get those started, and lock them down. And tighten these two screws down. Just snug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.